Hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. 5 simple veggies to grow at home. Here goes a list of 5 simple to grow veggies that are so healthy. Number 1. Carrots. Carrots are rich in vitamins. Carrot is a vegetable that you can have raw in your salad or cook to make your fried rice and noodles. Stay ahead of the race by attempting to grow carrots. Sowing the seed. Make sure you plant the seeds 3 to 5 weeks before the onset of favorable weather. Plant seeds 3 to 4 inches apart in rows. Soil. Carrot grows best in deep-tilled sandy soil. The depth of the soil is important, as it allows the vegetable to grow in length. Watering and fertilizer. Water 1 inch per week and fertilize after 5 to 6 weeks. Harvesting. Harvest when the carrots are 1.5 inch in diameter, preferably after 2.5 months. They taste better after a couple of bouts of cold weather. Quick tip: stone-free soils will ensure enhanced growth of carrots. The soil should be well drained to prevent forking, and ensuring it doesn't fall prey to stunted growth. Number 2. Beans. Protein, vitamin B, potassium and magnesium. Beans promise all these and more. If steamed beans tossed with black pepper, butter and some black salt is what the doctor recommends. Sowing the seed. Both pole beans and bush beans are easy to grow. Bush beans should be planted 2 inches apart, and pole beans should be planted 3 inches apart. Soil. Beans require loamy soil of temperatures above 10 degrees to sprout. Watering and fertilizer. Beans should be watered regularly, and should only be fertilized when soil nutrient levels are known to be extremely low. Harvesting. Pick them at an immature stage when the seeds have not fully developed for best taste. Quick tip: use shallow cultivation to prevent disturbing the root system. Number 3. Tomatoes. Fresh, fun and delectable in its every form, the tomato is a favorite with one and all. Sowing the seed. Plant seedlings 2 feet apart. Soil. Well-drained loamy soil along with plenty of sunlight will ensure healthy growth. Watering and fertilizer. Be generous while watering and pour up to 2 inches throughout the summer. Fertilize 2 weeks prior and after the first picking season. Harvesting. The perfect moment for harvesting your tomatoes is when they are a bit sturdy and red in hue. Quick tip: it is wise to establish stakes or cages in the soil at the time of planting, as it strives to keep the developing fruit off the ground. Number 4. Radish. According to the Chinese, radish with cabbage and soy curd is a super healthy option. Sowing the seed. Directly sow seeds to an inch depth with about 2 inch spacing. soil. Although it can sustain in any kind of soil, just ensure that it receives moisture. Harvesting. Some radish will grow in 3 weeks from the time of planting. Quick tip: do not leave them in ground for long. Once they are ready to be picked as radish, have the tendency to be spoilt. Number 5. Brinjal. Sowing the seed. Place 3 to 4 inch tall seedlings, 24 to 30 inches apart in well-prepared beds. Soil. Preferably sandy soil. Watering and fertilizer. Water generously and ensure balanced fertilizer every 2 weeks during the growing season. Harvesting. Harvest period is about 16 to 24 weeks after. Quick tip: plants which are 24 inches tall must be staked. With this mini guide to veggie gardening, just grow, grow, and grow.
Keep me company. Swear they holding on my feet, but they not under me. The fumes on your sweater smell is so lovely. And I will never sell my soul, but you could buy the lease. And don't believe in make believe, just make your hands